Today we're taking a look inside the Makeup Artist Cosmetic Essentials Kit. This economical makeup set is a great option for students who need an affordable starter kit for general practice and skill development. It provides a variety of products to work with while keeping costs super manageable. Let's see what's included. First, we have the eyeshadow palette featuring 29 different shades. The variety of colors allows students to practice everything from basic everyday looks to more creative makeup applications. There's also a creamy eyeshadow, which provides another texture to experiment with when creating different looks. Next, the kit includes 2 blushers, giving you additional options for complexion work and color application. Moving on to lip products, you'll find 5 lip glosses that can be used to practice different color combinations. And so students can work on foundation application techniques and blending skills, there are also 2 foundations to work with. And then for eye definition, the kit comes with a mascara and an eye pencil. Overall, the Makeup Artist Cosmetic Essentials Kit offers a wide range of products in one convenient package, making it an excellent, very budget-friendly choice for beginner students looking to build their confidence and practice their makeup application techniques. To learn more about this kit and other student supplies, visit gl.com or check out the link in the description. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe if you found this video helpful, and we will see you in the next one.